I think this is a great app. It allows you to sync your codes to desktop, to the Apple Watch, and all other devices that if you want to install this app on. It allows you to sync your two-factor codes across any device that is running this app. So since it's already installed on this phone, I'm going to open up the app. You will need to verify and authenticate yourself in order to fully use this app. You have to create an account. I already did, so I'm not going to go through the steps. You have to have a phone number with full SMS capability. You need an email address to create an account, and you need to set up a safe, secure backup password. This feature will allow you to sync your two-factor authentications across any device that has Authy installed.